I think the bar welcomes it for the reason that we need judges who are competent, their integrity is intact, and their performance in the past in the courts, as well as their understanding of law, is good. Whether they have any personal issues regarding their sexuality or sexual orientation, I don't think that is any criteria in their, if, as long as it doesn't reflect in any of their judgments. See, today we want judges to judge the matters as per law, not what they're, and in any case, any judge for that matter has to be above board and has to be beyond the personal biases, be it in terms of their sexual orientation or be in terms of their personal lives. So when you expect any judge to be above board in all these criteria and in these parameters, I think Mr. Kirpal is a damn good counsel, a very competent counsel, understands law, articulates it well, and his integrity is beyond any doubt. So,
So one more question, if we may ask you, the way the fact Supreme Court had to reiterate for a third time now Mr. Kirpal's name, how do you see this entire development we've seen over the last few years on certain persons who have been objected to by the center? Because Mr. Kirpal's name, of course, has been reiterated. Also, Mr. Somasekhar's name for the Bombay High Court has once again been reiterated. And the Supreme Court Collegium, for once, has given a very detailed resolution. In fact, almost, responding to all the allegations and all the issues that were raised by the government.
Aneesha, I don't know what the government has in mind. But as far as the reiteration is concerned, this is the first time it has been reiterated, because in the first instance, his name had not gone. His name had gone, and the government had been sitting over it and whatever their considerations, and then they sent it back only recently. As a person, as a counsel, we have seen Mr. Kirpal in the courts on a daily basis. I think the Supreme Court Collegium has rightly done it because they see the performance of the man on a daily basis. And there has been no report ever.
As the president of the High Court Bar, how do you see this standoff between the Collegium and the Centre, especially since such a resolution with details of the decision making has now been issued?
I don't see it as a standoff, because I think in the past also so many times they have the government has sent the names back. But I do appreciate and I welcome this fact of the Supreme Court considering all the factors and putting it in writing, so that tomorrow the authorities do not find a reason that the recommendation and reiteration is without any consideration. Once everything has come on paper and it has been in the media all along, I don't think the government can say it was not known to them. But when the Supreme Court has already considered all these aspects, and they rightly said that sexual orientation has nothing to do with it. So as a president of the bar and the bar, I feel we welcome this and the stand of the Supreme Court that whatever they have recommended once, they are standing by it.